Welcome back, guys, to another live stream. My name is Ken, entrepreneur investor in the stock market, in real estate, and of course, in people. That's my main driver right now. Now, we're live right now. It is April 20th. It's a little bit different. Just got a fresh cut at the barber, cleaned up a bit. Just want to start the live stream by saying thank you guys for supporting the channel. If you're subscribed, I appreciate it 100%. If you're not yet subscribed, I hope you'll consider at the end of this live stream. Now, I'm trying to mix the videos with the live stream because obviously if I'm streaming, it takes less time for me to create the videos, to edit. This is just straight. This is uncut. This is live. And you guys get to know a part of me. Now, yesterday I show you guys how you can make money trading in the market as a main source of income. Hopefully you guys were able to catch that live stream. If you didn't, you can always go and I guess rewatch to see how I did yesterday. No, I don't normally show that. I don't want to offend anyone. You don't need to try to make the same. Just try to make as much as what you needed. Don't over trade, I would say. Be patient. It takes time. It takes time. It takes time, and it takes a lot of mistakes. Trust me, a lot of mistakes. And then once we make those mistakes, then we slowly learn from them, and then we have some days that turns out like yesterday. Not all days looks like yesterday, but it's just an example, right? Again, guys, only invest in what you can afford. If you're not sure, please do your research or speak to a professional financial advisor. This is just for entertainment, to show my experience of what I'm doing in my own opinion. You may have a different opinion. Totally respect that. That's what it's all about, investing. Now, I'm going to jump right into the stream. I'm using a new software, so I'm not able to do the chat. I have to figure that out, how to configure so I can actually speak with you guys while I'm doing this stream. Now, the reason why I'm doing it this way is because if I go live from YouTube Studio, I'm not able to share my screen. I don't think there's an option to share your screen. I think you can only go live from the YouTube Studio. So I'm using this way where I could share the screen, and then I could tell you guys or show you guys what I am doing, and if it may works for you. If it works for you, that's great. This is what it's all about. We're learning as we go. We never stop learning on the stock market. If someone tells you that they stop learning, they're a pro. No. Every day is different. Every trade is different. Every investment is different. Every time is different. There's a ton that goes on with it. You know, a few people email me asking some questions. Definitely check your email back. I don't want to put anyone on the spot, but check your email. I reply to you guys, and yeah, let's go from there. Let's grow the family, guys. Let's grow it. We want to make sure this is a place where people could come and feel comfortable. It's easy investing. We're not really doing anything complicated. I completely took the complication out of it. Just stick to the principles, guys. Why trying to reinvent something when it's as simple as buying at the right time, wait to buy as low as possible, hold and sell at a higher price. That's it, right? So let's jump right into it, and we will discuss more about what we're looking for and how we'll make a big difference going forward. Yes, indeed. Hope that didn't hurt you guys. It's my new intro. I will be fine tuning it. Now, it is a live stream, so you will be seeing me drinking some water, chewing some gum. I'm planning to be on for a longer than usual time today. So if you're just joining the stream, again, my name is Ken, entrepreneur investor. This is KRS Investments, where we make investments simple. Simple as what the logo states here. Investments made simple. Guys, we got to cut the complication out of it. Just make sure we can buy a stock or invest in a company at a price that we're feeling very, very fortunate. Now, I'm going to switch to my screen that shows the stocks I'm following today and the prices I've gone in so far, and hopefully just going to leave the screen running. So if you join on to the stream at any time, you can see the stream. But I'm following right now 1, 2, 3, 4 stocks right now. Now these are just short-term plays to make quick trades. I do have other stocks that I'm going long-term, but these are just for today. So just keep watching. Now I will show you guys my screen for a tool I use. Not really a tool, it's just to keep track of my trades, and then we'll go from there. So let's switch over so everyone could enjoy. All right, so now we're looking at the charts right now. So we're following today. I'm looking basically at DD and Mullen Auto, VERU of course, and we are following GameStop, and of course Sunshine Biopharma. Now guys, if you're just joining, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, we try to make investments simple, showing you how I trade. If it helped you in any way, show your support by like, share, and make sure you subscribe. Click the notification bell so you get notified when there are any new contents. Again, same as yesterday, I created a video with Sunshine Biopharma, was trading just around $2.95. I let you guys know it's a great buy-in. If you did that, you could have made a quick 50% on your trade when it crosses over $4.50. I've also let you guys know to wait in the aftermarket. It should drop below $4, which it did yesterday. If you got in yesterday in the aftermarket, you could have sold in the open market today above $4.20 again. I think $4 and actually, let's see here, it was up for $4.35. So you guys could have made some good trades right there. So again guys, this is what we do on this channel. We make sure that we share what we're doing to make sure someone out there could make a profit, right? It's all about making profits to make sure that you're being taken care of, and this is what it's all about for me. Now if you have any questions guys, definitely shoot all your questions in the chat. I will go through if I get some time later on tonight. I'll try to answer in my own opinion. So please, let's get it going. Again, I will be running the stream today, so if you do hear any noise or anything, I apologize, but this is what we're gonna do today. I decided to let it run and then we can have some time. Now before we go too far, I want to share my opinion and want to look into VERU. So VERU is trading below 1140. All right guys, so VERU is trading below $11.40. So to me, in my opinion, it is still attractive right now. In terms of where it is, $11.40, I'll definitely consider that it is still in a buy stage. I'm pretty confident that it should go over $12 again. So let's jump in this right now. Let's see here. Again guys, you do not need to buy or invest in any stocks, because I tell you, this is just strictly my own opinion. If you do not feel comfortable, definitely don't need to invest. You can just watch the stock, see how it does, and if it performs great, the next time around you know that it could have been a great opportunity for yourself. So again, as I said, I did a few earlier and then I went to the barber, came back. Now I have been doing some trades in the pre-market and after-market a lot. So if you guys are not yet trading in the pre-market or after-market, It's a great place for you to start taking advantage. Just be mindful if you're using a stop loss. At least for me, it doesn't allow me to set one in the aftermarket and pre-market. I'm just gonna go here and update the stream because for some reason it will broadcast in the last stream I did. So let's see here. So I'm gonna have to look into that to see how does this actually work. Again, I'm using a new streaming software and the live stream is not showing up for me to make any kind of modification until the stream is complete. So let's just hope it's been recording. Let's just hope this is not for a waste. However, if it wasn't recording, we could always go back and just upload it as a video. Alright guys, so bear with us. Let's see. So VERU is still 11.34, so let's see here, 11.34. So I think this is a price that I can actually go in. Okay, let's see here. Don't want to be too aggressive today, so let's see here. So I have a buying at 11.26. So let's see if we can get it below 11.26. Also, let's see here, what else can we get today? Let's do it one at a time. We're gonna stick with VERU for now. We're going to see where we could get it. Now keep in mind, as I said yesterday, is that you do not need to look for these big swings if you're doing day trading, because you could, or you can do multiple trades and still come out with a profit. Yesterday we did extremely well, so today we're just going to take it easy. We're not going to push it to give back to the market. We want to make sure we keep what we have and not to be given back to the actual stock market. So this is what we're doing right now. We're going to make sure we are being careful not to over trade and to give back to the market, and in that way we could keep some of that earnings, that winnings, what we got from yesterday. So we saw that huge buying is going on here at $11.30. But we're waiting again, as I said, for 11.26. So let's see. Now, if you're doing day trading, it's a good idea. Use a stop loss if you are not planning to go into a trade for a very long time. You want to make sure that you're protecting your capital. So we almost got it at 11.26. Came to 11.27, but then we saw it bounces back up at 11.34. So we're not going to chase, and that gives me more time to, you know, to do something else while I'm waiting for that trade. Now we saw 11.40. Now, if you're in the market looking for a mullen as well, it's at $1.54, down 8% for the day. It's not really a good look right now for mullen. Now, if you guys remember yesterday, we sold. Where did we sold yesterday? We sold mullen. Let's see here. Where's my screen? 19. Okay, so we sold mullen at $1.76 yesterday, and we saw today it's down $1.53. 153. We sold at 176. So we saved like 23 cents. If we take a look, basically we saw if we did keep holding, we would lose another 15%. So it's a good thing that we exit that trade when we did. We'll take a look as well on VERU. Our last sale for VERU was $12.68. We'll take a look right now. And this is the reason why we don't have to force a trade, because I could wait technically until it gets to 12 if I want, right, to see the direction of where the trade is going, or I could go in now and still make a huge difference, because we really and truly, we save around 9.5% by selling yesterday. We're still in profit even though it's trading lower. So if I buy at 11.48, I'm still making like $9. I'm still paying like $9 less, 9% less for the actual cost of owning a share in VERU. But remember, guys, the key for us today, for me at least, is not to give back anything to the market. Yesterday was super great. We came out with just over 47, so that could hold us for a few months if we do no trades, right? So again, this is why it's important to know what you want, right? If you want $39 a month, $3,900 a month, or if you do it in 6 months, this is like 78 a month. A lot of people could live off that, guys. Think about it, and that's just around, if we take into consideration that the conversion rate, that's almost 60,000. That's almost 5,000 a month, right? If you're telling me that you cannot live off 5,000 a month, then definitely you need to check your spending, because it's kind of high. So I want to make sure we do the right trades today, and this is why we're being patient, because we don't want to give anything back. Now also as well with Diddy, and the delisting is completely hampered. Diddy at 196. Still not doing bad though, right? So keep an eye on Diddy, and you know, I mean it when I say keep an eye on Diddy, because I find each time it breaks below $2, there's some saving news that comes, and it jumps back to 275, or if not 350 again. So we can see the volume in VERU, not too bad, not too aggressive as yesterday. Sunshine Biopharma as well is trading Relatively good volume. Market again is not doing super good today. Now there's a few companies that we're following. Now if we take a look as well, keep in mind, remember we cover a few videos in terms of Tilray. You want to make sure that we're still keeping up with Tilray. We remember by end of this month there's going to be some update by in terms of the marijuana or the cannabis bill, right? So and that you don't want to miss out on that, and then it catch you off guard again. We cannot always chase. Want to make sure that we actually going in. So okay, so I'm looking at Tilray here. It says Tilray was upgraded to from hold to buy. We're taking a look here. All right, so VERU is coming back down for us, and this is why we say, guys, we just need to be patient. We don't need to chase any prices. We have a buy order in at 11.26. We are still staying there. So let's update this. If you're joining, guys, we're not being silent. We're just waiting to trade. I'm just going to keep the live stream running today. I was trying to log on to my YouTube account manually to see if I could actually see the stream that's going on right now. But for some reason, I'm not able to see the stream. So, in short story, I'm gonna have to wait until I actually end the stream to see if I'm being recorded. Okay, but I know what I'm going to do, which makes sense to test this out, because again, I'm using a new software. So I'm going to end the stream and then open a new stream, just to make sure that we actually not missing out on this great opportunity right now, because there's absolutely no way for me to tell. everything should be okay. Just not able to see. You know, I tested this yesterday. It works okay with the last video. So I'm going to end the stream and then see if this is actually catching on, because I really want to make sure that we actually are capitalizing on what's going on, make sure we're not missing out on any opportunity. Now guys, if you want to get into VERU at 1138, it's still not a bad price, but I want to get it as low as possible. So since I'm going to reboot this machine, I'm even going to go lower in my okay, so I updated my bid to be even lower because I'm being patient today. I'm not going to rush today. I put it down as low as possible, and I'm going to end the stream right now. And then once I come back, then we'll go to see what's going on exactly with the stream, why it's not showing up, why I can't see any chat, because I was going to do the stream and then have a different screen that I just do the chat, and then we can go from there. But the stocks that we're watching basically is VERU, we're watching Mullen, and of course I have GameStop in my view, because if you're doing short-term trades, it's not a bad idea to keep an eye on GameStop. Sunshine Biofarm, we have seen it drop below 385 and 375 earlier, so it's still attractive. I would love if you got in yesterday below $3 per share when I posted that last video. That would have been more of a comfort for me, but hey, we cannot go back. We're just gonna have to use what we have at the moment until we have new information. So I signed back in, my stream is not there, so I'm going to end the video and I'll relaunch the stream, and then we'll go from there. So guys, as usual, I thank you for your time. We thank you for the opportunity. As usual, make investments simple, and hey, maybe today we can go off earlier in the week. Wednesday, it would be nice to say, hey, there's no trading on Thursday and Friday, and just invest what we make in the week in some long-term opportunity and sit back and relax and possibly take a vacation. I'm debating definitely to take a vacation now, you know, and then I could do some trades, you know. So let's see, let's go from there, and let's see what happens in this next episode.